guys, we are Group 8 and we are doing a video on carbon cycle and global warming.
Now we will be talking about the carbon cycle. It is the series of processes by which carbon compounds are interconverted in the environment involving the incorporation of carbon dioxide into living tissue by photosynthesis and its return to the atmosphere through respiration, the decay of dead organisms, and the combustion of fossil fuels.
When photosynthesis occurs, green plants convert carbon dioxide from the surroundings and water into glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight. Carbon is stored in sun, which allows them to grow.
All living things respire. Respiration converts glucose in the food we eat and oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. As dead animals and plants decay, bacteria break down the carbon compounds in them. Carbon dioxide is also produced in the process and it is released into the atmosphere.
Most fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas contain both carbon and hydrogen. When these fuels are burned, carbon dioxide and water are produced. Ocean uptake also plays a part in the carbon cycle. The world ocean serves as a massive sink that traps carbon dioxide. Much of the dissolved carbon dioxide in the oceans is used by plants and marine organisms.
And this is how the carbon cycle is complete. Now we'll be talking about the greenhouse gases.
Methane, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide are greenhouse gases. They trap heat in the atmosphere, which is known as the greenhouse effect. Without greenhouse gases, Earth will be a frozen world and no organism will be able to survive.
When cows die and decay, methane is produced. As time passes, the amount of cars seen on the road is also increasing, and car produces carbon monoxide. Humans have been burning fossil fuels, and there's about 30% more carbon dioxide in the air today than there was about 150 years ago.
The increase in greenhouse gases is causing temperatures to rise, and Earth is becoming a warmer place, resulting in global warming.
Now we'll be talking about the consequences of global warming.
One of the consequences of global warming is the melting of icebergs.
It has a vast and dire effect on Earth. Not only does it cause the ocean levels to rise, it will also cause the ecosystem around the world to be affected.
Due to the rising sea levels, small islands around the world will be flooded, including Singapore.
Loss of areas of ice could accelerate global warming because less of sun's energy will be reflected away from Earth. Another consequence of global warming is the fact that world hunger will worsen. This is due to the unexpected climate changes, as it will inevitably affect crop production. This is the reason why scientists predict that by 2059, 20% of the world will suffer from famine.
Thank you!